Yes, people, blessed people. Yes, sir. You don't know the earth, man. RedShot BlackStar. Today I came on. I want to bring this video to you guys. There's some quinoa. I made some quinoa. I made some beautiful salad. Made some salad. Beautiful salad. Nice, juicy, tasty. I did that with some fish and good seasoning and all that. So today, yes, yeah, I'm gonna show you what it is. So this one here, come looking here. First of all, I wanna give thanks and praise to the Most High. I'll be so going on, but that's my strength, that's my Excalibur, that's my breath, that's everything, my life, that's everything. So all praise unto the Most High. And I'll just continue with the video. Thank you people for supporting me, and I brought the videos that you'll ask for more food videos. Here it goes. So yes, people, look in here. Look at that pot right here. Look at that pot. This pot right here. Look how beautiful this look. Let me turn off my pot right here. Look how beautiful that look. Look how juicy and nice and tasty that look. So I have some bluefish here, and I got some goat head, or you gonna call it butterfish. And I have a little red snapper right here. It's a red snapper. This is the bluefish. And this here is like the butterfish right here. So it's like 3 different fishes right here combined together with some okras, green pepper, red pepper, rosemary, you know, all the good stuff, the good flavor right here. So this is my quinoa right here. I'm gonna put some in that pot right here, in that plate right here. Yeah, so quinoa is an ancient, very ancient. It's like a rice, but better than rice. It's soft rice and got none on it. And you could prepare this. Today I did it like that. I had it a little sticky and all that. So I had it like this. And yeah, so I'm gonna put a little piece of fish right here. Boom. A little piece of fish right here. And some okras. Some okras. Put some gravy on that. Yeah. I'm gonna go over here and get some salad. So I did already take out a plate. This is a little something right here. I did already take out a plate, but put some salad with that. And this is how we do. This is how we eat. And in my salad, I have red onions. I have some nice plum tomatoes. See right here, nice plum tomatoes. I have cucumbers, I have avocado. You know, it's just so beautiful, so excellent. You know, so yeah. This is how we do. This is how we eat when we eat. So yeah, when we tell you how we eat, and when I say I eat healthy, look at this. Now hold up. Okay? See? Yeah. So this is a dish right here. This is a dish right here. Another complete plate. So I've made that plate, and I also had a little something here for me that I did take out already. And this is my seaweed. Extra. Oh, sorry, this one ain't good. I'll put that aside. This ain't good. I'm gonna go over here. This, I use this all the time to put my salad in there. See, so I take a little bit of, that's how we eat this. This is how you know this is excellent. Put a little bit in here. Okay? A little bit of quinoa in there. Yeah, a little bit of fish. See? It's a wrap. You wrap that up. Simple. See? I know this bad man suck your finger, but look at that. It's off the hook. It's off the hook, because this is beautiful. Yeah, and things like quinoa and couscous They've been there a long time. We've been eating on this, feeding on for that, and getting all what we need in there. It's not a problem to eat that, a little bit of fish. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Need some napkins there. You'll have to forgive me. Woo. Wow. Woo. This here is an ass kicker. So, yes, people, this is what I'm telling y'all. And I got my little essential water right here. Okay? So I don't need no juice. I eat that. That's going to fill me up. That's my plate right here. That's going to fill me up. I'll get all the energy down here. All that vital. Yeah. And don't forget the seaweed. Excellent. And you can get them like that, you can get them in small packs. But, once again, people, give thanks and praise. I don't like talking about food, but the food's so sweet, man. It's a blessing to eat good, natural. That's the best thing God created. The most I created us to eat. Not all this other stuff. Then, and people want to beat me down for tasting a little piece of fish. And they want to eat all bats, stuff with intestines. This is not no poop soup. This is natural food. This is not no bat manure. Cows, intestines with poop. No, this is natural live stuff. Okay? So peace and blessings, people. One love. You done now, the RedShot BlackStar. Stay tuned because more cooking videos gonna come. I'm doing everything. I need you all though. I need you all guys to subscribe and like and share and send in the donations then so y'all could see it's not a problem when I set up these little places in time to come. The children that I will be feeding or the people that will be eating my food, they'll be eating real healthy and wise. Excellent. Peace and blessings, people. You're done now. RedShot BlackStar. One love to cross the universe. Want them to know my mission. Come here to change the world. Bad man, we burn bad man. Envious, we burn envious. Jealousy, we burn that. See? We no mingling at them things there. We don't come with them things there. We don't want to deal with this thing. We deal with uprightness, good over evil, love, prosperity between your brother and your sister. Come together as one, we become very strong. We sit here and divide, they're going to conquer us and we're going to conquer ourselves. And there will be no more us. So let's come together, organize, centralize, socialize, boom, and make it happen. Peace and blessings. You don't know. Are your favorite earthman? All praises unto the Most High. Peace and blessings. Give thanks. I'm out.